I had a pain in my lower back. It was more where the sciatic nerve is, kind of right above your glute, and it just never seemed to go away. I would have numbness that would go down my leg, and I'd feel some numbness in my toes. When I'd lay on my back, at night when I'd go to bed would be when I'd really notice it, when I'd be laying flat, and I just would never seem to be able to get comfortable with it, and it was just a sharp, kind of like an acute pain. And before we used the Aspen laser, the scar tissue was the main pain that I felt. I really didn't feel pain from the back injury, but the scar tissue was coming about because of the injury to the back. And so once we started doing the laser, it actually started healing the back, so that when we were able to get rid of the scar tissue, the back was healed, so the scar tissue never came back. And then once the scar tissue was broken and dissipated, because it was wrapping around the sciatic nerve, and that's where all the pain in my back and down my leg was coming from. So once the laser healed my back and we were able to break the scar tissue up, because the back was healed, the scar tissue never came back, and I was good to go after that. I would tell I would have told Dr. Palucci if it wasn't working, but I couldn't because I felt better after I got the treatment. What I would tell somebody that was in a situation like that with pain wherever it's in their back or their shoulder is the results that I've had from the Aspen laser and how it's healed my back. It just made me, it healed me, where just regular adjustments wouldn't in this instance. And I know a friend that has some shoulder problems, and he's thinking he might have to possibly get some shoulder surgery. And I would recommend the Aspen laser. Just it can't hurt anything to see if it's going to do you some good. I would rather do this than go under the knife for anything. And I know the results that I've gotten from it, and I would recommend it.